$69,000 total cost to $556,000 over the next 30 years.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. I'm finally making some progress on getting this radio set up the way I want it set up, plus learning how to do things. So I previously, in the show I did previously, about half hour ago, I realized that I didn't have the external antenna plugged in all the way. I had to push really hard, and then it made contact. And I started getting strong signals on WWV. So what I did is I did another band scan offline, because it takes 15 minutes, and it found 200 signals. 200 signals. Now, it didn't finish the scan because 200 is the maximum maximum memory locations for the shortwave band. So it hit the max and just stopped scanning. So it was up to, I think, about 26 megahertz. And then I went back and I started tuning those stored signals, because a lot of them are noise. And I found this one, and of course it was garbled, and I'm like, hey, that's in the amateur radio band, 80 meters. So I'm like, okay, how do I change to single sideband? Because this radio will do single sideband. I looked it up in the manual. It's pretty easy to change. Now I'm in single sideband, and you can hear these guys talking. I have no idea where they're at. Losing the signal now. Okay, let's get out of that mode where all you have to do is go to bandwidth demodulation, hold it down, and then select the mode you want. So I went back to AM, and then it's got to go set itself up. Okay. Now, I still should be in the pre-select mode. Yeah, I should be. Yeah. That's more hams. Right at the top of the 80 meter band. A lot of noise. And of course, I scanned 15, 20 minutes ago, so a lot of signals may have gone away. I don't think I'm going through. No, I'm not. Thought I was in preset mode. No. I think that's. Yep. No, there's the presets. So I picked up a lot of noise.
A todos los que sintonizan.
Yep. I'm a little leery. Oh, I'm still in single sideband mode. Thought I went to AM. See if it's, yeah, it's AM.
La liberación de todos los...
Yeah.
12 hours, 33 minutes.
Okay, there's the time signal. 7.85. That might be Canada. Turn this down and I'll search on that. 7.85. Get to the short-wave.info website. 7850. Yeah. That's the one of the weather stations or time stations in Canada. The equivalent to our WWV. It's in, oh, I messed up my page.
Coordinated universal time, 12 hours, 34 minutes.
Yeah, that's in Ottawa, Canada. I've never gotten that. Let me see what else got. I've got to learn. Boy, that almost sounds like local. 7975. 2 stations there. 7975. No, that's not real station. 79. Oh, yeah, that's right. Let me do plus or minus 5 kilohertz. Nope. So that's probably bleed over from medium wave. Yeah, I'm getting bleed over.
Women are doing a lot of the same job as men in the church.
9 point, that sounds familiar.
Ordination, so
I can't remember what it is. 9330.
Like that, it does sound
Oop.
quite unfair.
Typo error.
So I want to know what your thoughts are, Dave. What does the Bible say about women's ordination?
Okay. Well, the Bible doesn't actually
Well, it's
say
loud and
anything
clear.
about it in precisely those
And
terms.
that's coming
We have to
from
look at broader principles, and we'll just see how those apply.
WBCQ in Monticello.
Traditional men
Loud and clear.
point to the writings of
Okay. That's pretty good. 9435. And that is Voice of Korea? No. Let's see. Alexa, what time is it in UTC?
In Universal Time Coordinated, it is currently January 16th at 12:36 p.m.
Okay, 12:30. Yep, Voice of Korea in Korean right now. Whoa. Let me turn it up. This is fantastic. Is that Korean? Sounds like it. Yeah, I don't know Korean from Chinese. Wow. Okay. Let's go on up. That sounds like Chinese. 9490. Stand by.
네, 미국 인도태평양 사령부는 15일 보도자료를 통해서 일본과 한국에서 온 전투기 2025년 1월 15일 인도태평양에서 작전 중인 미국 폭격기들을 호위하는 3자 비행 임무를
That could be. Let me turn the volume down so you can hear me. That could be the voice of America over in Korea. Because, yeah, that's on right now. In Korean. That's probably what that, I can't believe it. Man, this radio is really booming here. Let me turn the volume back up. Sorry this is so long. Another one. I think that's a little off frequency. We go back down. I got my steps way down there. I don't know where it is. I don't know what that is. I can see now, let me turn this volume down and I'll stop. I can see now the next thing I need to learn is how to mess with the equalizer. Let me see, is there an equalizer button? I don't see an equalizer button. Oh, there it is down there. Let me just turn this back on real quick. Because this is kind of muffled.
Well, I think the whole situation having the idea of small city was raised at least for a decade ago. First initially, I think, by automated electronics
That seems to be about the best. What they call news. Let me see if I can find that station, and then we'll quit. 9605. Yep. 9605 is. Ooh, that could be. Does that sound like Chinese? It says it could be Vatican radio. Let me turn this volume down. It says it could be Vatican radio in TIN-A-N-G. I guess that's, and they're broadcasting in Chinese right now. So I think that's what that is. I'm not positive. So I'm going to quit now. I'm just blown away by this radio when it's got a decent external antenna for shortwave. It is working absolutely wonderful. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.